Hey coin collectors! Today, we're looking at a 2002G Germany 20 euro cents coin, a small coin with some interesting details. This coin was minted in Germany in 2002. On the front, you'll see the federal eagle, a symbol of Germany. On the back, the denomination 20 euro cents with the map of Europe and the 12 stars of the European Union. The G mint mark shows it was minted in Munich. Coins from this mint are mostly common, but collectors love checking for rare errors or unusual details. In normal condition, this coin is usually worth its face value. But if you find a mistrike, double die, or unusual detail, it can be more valuable for collectors. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support our channel, Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Stay tuned for more hidden treasures from the world of coins.